Hey guys, Animus Travels and Travels with Animus here. Please like, follow, share, and leave me comments down below here. And like, subscribe, share, ring the notification bell, and leave me comments on my YouTube channel, Travels with Animus. So in Port McNeill in Canada, there was a 6.20 quake that caused structural damage. Hopefully everyone there is doing all right. And everyone is now safe. Also, I forget where, but this happened on the 12th. There was a 4.5 quake that happened here in California. But luckily, there was only minor damage with that one. So everyone seems to be, from that one, everyone seems to be doing all right. So I hope that everyone is going to be all right with both quakes that I've talked about today, especially in Canada, because water-based earthquakes near water tend to have extra problems due to the location, especially portside areas, because they're the most closest to water, before they have extra problems like mini tsunamis and stuff. Well, I'll talk to you guys later for any new updates that I might get. Till then, everyone, stay tuned.